Hello my friends and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add your name to the iPhone lock screen. And here I'm talking about the bottom of the page, right? So for this you need to go to the settings, right? And then scroll down in the settings, right? Until you find focus, okay? Now here tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and then custom. Tap on that one. Choose a name, right? Now I'm going to go for this. And then you can choose a color, right? Choose the one that you want. And then here, like, these are like some emojis, right? Icons that you can put next to the name, right? So I'm going to go for this one. And then next, right? You can customize focus right here. So here, right, these are some like features that you can enable them or disable them. For example, I have apps, all right? If I want to add here some apps, all right? So for example, let's say ChatGPT, okay? So I'm allowing notifications from the ChatGPT, right? When this focus is on, which is my name. So go back, right? And here we have people as well. And then you can customize the screens, right? And some other options available here. There is no need to change these settings here, right? So let's go back, right? And it's ready, okay? So swipe down, right? And then tap here on focus and then let's go and choose the next, which is the new one. Let's try it. Scroll down. Here we go. If you liked it, share with your friends, leave us a comment and like the video. See you next time.